Hey guys, welcome back to another one. On this video, I am going to show you where you can buy the THETA and TFUEL tokens. As most of us are familiar with, if we go to our familiar websites and exchanges like Coinbase, if we try and find THETA, we get hit with this THETA is not supported by Coinbase. And similarly with TFUEL, THETA Fuel, if we try and purchase THETA Fuel on Coinbase, then we get hit once again with the THETA Fuel is not supported by Coinbase. So how are we in the US of A specifically able to buy the THETA token? Because it is an awesome project and everyone wants to get in on it, especially with the validator partners like Google, Sony, Samsung, CAA, and more. How can we buy the token? And that's what I'll go over. There's a couple different websites and a couple different swap sites which we will look into. So first and foremost, in no particular order, is Kucoin, and I do have an account with Kucoin, so you can purchase THETA in particular in Kucoin. You cannot purchase TFUEL, but you can purchase THETA. Kucoin, I would recommend it. It does have a lot more of the exotic altcoins, some that you can't find on Coinbase once again. So Kucoin would be a one-stop shop for THETA in particular. On the other end, we have Uphold, and Uphold is another exchange. Once again, you can have your wallet there, and the cryptocurrencies that it does support, it supports a lot of them that your other exchanges like Coinbase does not support, particularly XRP or Ripple. A lot of exchanges do not list that one right now because of the litigation with the SEC, but you can find that on Uphold, and you can also find the THETA token. Once again, no TFUEL, but you can find the THETA token. Let's see, another one. I do not have an account for Gateio, but Gateio does have THETA and TFUEL from what I've read. So if anyone does have one of these accounts, let me know in the comment section below if it does indeed have THETA and TFUEL. And if so, maybe I might have to sign up for an account and create a wallet over here. And then the next and last exchange that you can buy both THETA and TFUEL from is Hotbit. Once again, I do not have an account with Hotbit, but this is another exchange that allows you to buy both the THETA token and the TFUEL token. So the next little bit of, let's see, they're not quite exchanges, but another way to get tokens, THETA tokens or TFUEL tokens, is to exchange them. And there are these swap sites where you're able to, buy a certain cryptocurrency. It could be Bitcoin, it could be Ethereum, it could be anything, and then exchange it for any other, cryptocurrency. So it has come in handy. And I've bought, originally when I first started buying THETA, I actually use SimpleSwap. This is the one that I use. And the recommendation is to use Stellar. So XLM, Stellar, because Stellar has the lowest, hands down, fees across the board. You won't even notice that, they're taking away a fraction of a penny from, the network fee essentially of moving money from point A to point B, or in this case, transferring one crypto to another crypto from point A to point B. So the minimum amount you need is 156, which is not too much. It's probably what, $20, $30. So if you let's just say 200 or 1200, either way. So right now it'll show you how much Ethereum you'll get. You can select Bitcoin. But most importantly, we can see that there is THETA and TFUEL selections available. So you can see that from 1200 XLM, we are going to receive 58 THETA tokens. Or once again, if we want TFUEL instead, because we think TFUEL is going to continue to rise more quickly than THETA in the short term, you can just convert it from one to another. And once again, the quick life hack right there is use the Stellar token. So there's a couple other websites that are very similar, has the same concept, which is changeangel.io. And once again, you just select which cryptocurrency you have, and then which cryptocurrency you would like to receive. And then another one is Changely. Once again, same concept, just a different website. And the last one I have is changenow.io. So, and another thing, guys, make sure you can type these into Google. And then if you're ever confused, because a lot of, scam artists, they might, change one letter. So they might, leave out a N or have two A's in there, something that's not very obvious. And it might be a scam website and they're just going to take your tokens. So make sure if you want to, you can type the name into Google. So I always typed in like Simple Swap into Google, and then one of the first ones that popped up, or the first one that popped up, was simpleswap.io. So that's what I do. Just a little tip right there. And yeah, in summary, this is how you buy the THETA token or the TFUEL token on the exchanges that aren't your popular ones like the Coinbase. Or if you don't want to do that, there are the swap sites like simpleswap.io. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I will see y'all in the next one.